Welcome guys, today I'm with OPPO Find X5 Pro and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. So for the first, we are going to start from the standard modes. We are right now in the photo mode and take a look. You can quickly change the brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving the sun icon like that to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make it also automatically by tapping on the screen once. It works the same, for example, in the video mode. Take a look. But this slider we got at the bottom of the screen in this place. Okay, so right now when you are in the photo mode, we can also use the shutter function. When you click and hold, you can quickly record the video and you can move the shutter to this lock. Right now we don't have to hold this shutter anymore, and as you can see, we can simply switch between the lenses just like that. We can take photos while recording. We can pause video, continue, and finish by tapping on the shutter button one more time. When you use the volume buttons, they are located right here. When you click once, you can take photos like the normal shutter function. So volume down, volume up. As you can see, simple way to take photos without tapping on the screen. And what is interesting, that we can actually change function of these buttons. So how we can make it, we have to tap right here on these three dots, and next we have to go forward for the settings. Then you rotate the phone. Right now we have to scroll down until we find the volume button action. So click here and we can switch to the zoom, volume, or leave with the shutter. Let's test the zoom, for example. Press volume up to zoom in. As you can see right now on the left upper corner, we got this small preview, how it looks normally, and on the whole screen we got crop photo, and actually the quality of the zoom is impressive. If you want to zoom out, you have to click the volume down button, click and hold for sure to zoom out smoothly. Of course, you can click once, just like that. You can decide how you want to zoom out or zoom in. And we can also change lenses from the ultra wide lens to the wide lens and the telephoto lens, just like that. Okay, so that was about the zoom, about the shutter, but we can also click in this place. And when we are in the photo mode, we can apply filters. As you can see, we can find here a few presets. And there it is. They change color and the temperature actually right now. If you want to take photo, for example, with this filter, you have to click on it once, then tap on the shutter, and the photo was taken. As you can see, there's actually a lot of different filters. And if you want to go back to the original look of your preview in the camera, just pick this one, original. Okay, right now we can find also a very useful option. It will be actually hidden in the more modes. So at the first, I'm gonna take photo with the normal mode. And right now, let's go for the more modes and pick higher resolution mode. It's right here. We have to keep our device steady, and right now we can make a small comparison. So we can take a look on the above photos. Let me just enable the auto rotation screen. Okay, there it is. And right now we can simply just compare the photos. So that's the high resolution mode. And as you can see, in this mode we can zoom in very close. The quality is really good. Let's switch to the normal photo mode. And that's how it looks. We can try to crop that photo. Yeah, so we are going to focus for sure for this phone keyboard. Okay, let's take it like that. I mean, it works weird, but never mind. Let's stay with this one. Let's save. Let's rotate like that and take a look how the crop looks from the normal mode. And right now let's quickly move to this high resolution mode. Okay, that's the normal. That will be the high resolution. As you can see, it looks definitely better, and we can spot definitely more details than in the normal crop photo. So to sum up, you have to use this high resolution mode to get more details on your photos. Okay, let's turn it off. Right now we can tap in this place where we can find other options, like for example we can add delay to our shutter. We get 3 or 10 seconds. Let's select 3, click on the shutter, and after the 3 seconds the photo will be taken. Okay, let's turn it off, and I think that right now it's time to move to the settings where we can find other useful options. So when you scroll down we can find the shading methods, and that's the option called tap to capture. Let me just enable and show you how it works. So normally when you hold your phone like that and you try to reach this bottom shutter, sometimes you cannot. So we can just click on the screen and the photo will be also taken. So if you have small hand and you are not able to reach the volume buttons or this shutter at the bottom, you can just click on the screen once and you will take photo. Okay, let's move forward through the settings. As you can see in this place, we can also change the function of our shutter. So previously I showed you what is going to happen when we click and hold the shutter button. So we'll basically record the video, but we can take the burst shot. So take a look. We can take 20 photos, and when we click in this place in the gallery, we can just take a look for all of them, and it looks like very short video, as you can see. Okay, let's go back and let's take a look what we can find more. In the settings, that's the volume button adjustment I just showed you, and that's also the quick launch. So take a look. When we enable this option and lock our screen, we can double press volume down button quickly and the camera will be open. So it's definitely faster than opening this camera like that or like that. Okay, so actually that's all from the tricks of this OPPO Find X5 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.